Welcome to Agri, your go-to channel for smart farming, high profits, and sustainable agriculture. Herb, Rocket, whether you're a beginner or an expert, we bring you the best tips, techniques, and business strategies to grow and sell crops successfully, all from the comfort of your home or small space. In today's video, we're diving into the world of microgreens, the tiny greens with huge profit potential. Money bag, seedling. Imagine growing nutrient-packed superfoods in just a few days and selling them for premium prices, all with minimal space and effort. Stay tuned as we take you through the complete cultivation process, from seed to sale. In the previous video we discussed about 5 most high-profit crops which you can grow in 2025 to make huge profit. In the previous video we discussed about mushroom cultivation, and in this video we'll discuss about microgreens. So, if you're ready to turn your passion for farming into a thriving business, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Microgreens are tiny, nutrient-packed plants that can be grown in a small space while generating huge profits. These young vegetable and herb seedlings, harvested just after their first true leaves appear, are in high demand among chefs, health-conscious consumers, and gourmet food markets. Unlike traditional farming, microgreens require minimal space, making them ideal for urban farming, indoor setups, and even vertical gardens. With a fast growth cycle of 7 to 21 days, they provide a quick turnaround and high yield, allowing growers to sell fresh, high-value crops consistently. Popular varieties include radish, sunflower, pea shoots, basil, and broccoli, each offering unique flavors and vibrant colors that enhance culinary dishes. The startup cost is relatively low, requiring only trays, soil or a growing medium, quality seeds, and adequate lighting. Selling directly to restaurants, farmers markets, grocery stores, and online platforms can maximize profits. The increasing trend of healthy eating, organic food, and sustainable farming has boosted the microgreens industry, making it a lucrative and scalable business opportunity. Whether as a side hustle or a full-scale enterprise, microgreens provide an efficient way to generate significant income while using minimal space and resources. Microgreens cultivation, a step-by-step guide. Microgreens are easy to grow, require minimal space, and offer a high profit potential. Here's a detailed guide on cultivating microgreens from seed to harvest. 1. Selecting the right seeds. Choose high-quality, non-GMO, and preferably organic seeds. Some of the most popular microgreens include leafy greens, kale, spinach, arugula herbs, basil, cilantro, dill, brassicas, broccoli, cabbage, mustard. Others, pea shoots, sunflower, radish. 2. Choosing the growing medium. Microgreens can be grown in various mediums, including soil-based, organic potting mix or coco coir for better moisture retention, soilless, hydroponic mats, hemp mats, or coconut fiber hydroponic systems, growing directly in water with nutrient solutions. 3. Preparing the trays. Use shallow trays, 10 by 20 inches, with drainage holes. Fill the tray with about 1 to 2 inches of your chosen growing medium. Lightly water the medium to ensure even moisture. 4. Sowing the seeds. Evenly spread the seeds across the surface without overcrowding. Gently press them into the medium but do not bury them. Lightly mist the seeds with water. 5. Germination phase, blackout period. Cover the tray with another empty tray or a dark cloth to block light. Keep in a warm place, 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Water lightly once or twice daily to maintain moisture. Allow germination for 3 to 5 days until seedlings push against the cover. 6. Light and growth phase. Once germinated, expose the tray to light, LED grow lights or indirect sunlight. Maintain 12 to 16 hours of light daily for healthy growth. Keep the temperature between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and humidity around 50 to 60%. Water gently from the bottom, if using trays with holes, to avoid mold. 7. Harvesting microgreens. Microgreens are ready in 7 to 21 days, depending on the variety. Harvest when the first true leaves appear. Use clean, sharp scissors to cut just above the soil line. Rinse lightly and let them dry before packaging. 8. Packaging and selling. Store in clamshell containers or breathable bags. Keep refrigerated at 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 to 4 degrees Celsius, to maintain freshness. Sell directly to restaurants, farmers markets, grocery stores, or online. 9. Scaling the business. Grow in vertical racks to maximize production. Offer subscriptions to customers for regular orders. Expand to hydroponic or controlled environment farming for consistent supply. With low investment and quick turnover, microgreens are a profitable and sustainable agribusiness, making them perfect for small-scale farmers and urban growers. Rocket, seedling, and that's it, folks. Growing microgreens is simple, profitable, and a fantastic way to start your urban farming journey. Rocket, seedling, with just a little effort, you can turn a small space into a money-making farm. The next part will be uploaded soon, so be connected to us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe to Agri for more amazing farming tips, and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss an update. Got questions or want us to cover a specific topic? Drop a comment below, speech bubble, we love hearing from you. Until next time, keep growing, keep earning, and stay green. Herb, Moneybag, see you in the next video.